Today we're unboxing and showing you why we made the Flex Wireless Charger bundle. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ryan and I work as the media producer here at Mob Armor. We specialize in mounts that cater to the off-road industry. From phones to tablets to action camera mounts, we strive to create the strongest mounting solution for your needs. Our wireless charger has been out for about a year now, and in that time frame, we've listened to people's feedback and looked for ways to improve. For example, the material for our original backs for the magnets were wearing down after a few months, so anyone who filed for the warranty was sent a new backplate. In response to this issue, we made it a priority to order new backplates with stronger material. We even had somebody open all our wireless chargers and replace it with a new version so it didn't happen again in the future. This was supposed to be used with any of our magnetic mounts, so for those who had a mount already and were waiting for the wireless charger, they'd be able to upgrade their setup right away. However, those who were introduced to Mob Armor for the first time, 9 times out of 10, they'd opt for the wireless charger along with getting a mount. This brings up our second issue. The wireless charger needs a good adapter to allow the fastest possible charge for your phone. Even when we had the included cable with the charger, we found that people would just plug into the Type A ports in their car. Your phone charges just fine, but it would be slow, and so when it came to long trips, it's not as effective. Ways for you to know it's working is that our charger would show a shining red light. If there's a problem with it, you'll see that it's flashing between red and blue, which leads us to why we created this bundle in the first place. You get our best-selling Mobnetic Max, created out of billet aluminum and assembled here in California. When it's attached to a thick piece of steel, it'll take about 90 pounds of pull force to pick it up. These powerful magnets are covered with our new rubber boots. Same design and look, but now they no longer leave the brown circle like the old ones did. It's a small problem that nobody's brought up, but we've seen it ourselves and made the changes to always improve. Next, you get the wireless charger with its braided cable and magnetic plate. The wireless charger can charge up to 15 watts and has a built-in magnet array. For those who live caseless, you can charge your iPhone just fine at your desk. However, if you're trying to charge in your car, then the included plate makes the world of difference. For iPhone users, it's simple. Just clean the back of your phone with the included wipe and the magnets do the lining for you. For Android users, we do have the grid lines for you to center it just right. And last in the package is the car adapter. The Type-C offers 20 watts of output while the Type-A offers 18 watts of output. So regardless on where you plug your wireless charger, you'll be getting its full capability and still have space for another phone. You could even run up to 2 wireless chargers in your car, one for both the passenger and the driver side. That's everything inside the box. Subscribe to stay up to date for our latest products or events. We come out with new videos every Wednesday, release shorts every Monday through Friday, and if you're interested in our other products, click the link down below. If you have any questions, you know where the comment section's at.